This is the 2019 Tata Harrier. Let's check it out. Before going on to the review, guys, if you'd like to check our Tamil review of the Tata Harrier, click the I button above. Now let's dive in. This is the 2019 BS4 Tata Harrier. Okay guys, let's dive into the engine bay. As you can see, the Tata Harrier is powered by a 2-liter turbocharged Cryotech engine which produces around 140 brake horsepower and 350 Newton meters of torque. This is mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, but in the BS6 variant, that is the latest 2020 Harrier, you can also opt for a automatic transmission. My most favorite thing about this car is its LED daytime running lamps. So beautiful, yeah. So bulky in appearance, and this is the Bisonon headlights and separate dome for the high lamps, fog lamps, and the front sensors. No, don't look at it. It's not free. You have to pay extra for that. And there are huge rear view mirror. You can see the whole world behind you. Front disc brakes, rear drum brakes. The tire size is 235/70, 16 inches. The whole body, the whole design is very great. I think it's inspired by Range Rover. The LED tail lamps are also looking very great. Rear wipers. The boot capacity of the Harrier is around 425 liters, I think. Okay. Rear view camera. Such a big car, you need that, otherwise you'll go and dash into the compound or something like that. Okay, let's dive into the car. Shark fin antenna. Spoilers. In the door, it's finished in leather. Very good, soft touch materials, JBL speakers, bottle holders. There is a charging port for the rear passengers. They can view their phone and as well charge as well. You can play games while charging, and there is a reading light on the top for reading light for each passenger. Oh, white LED lights, impressive. Very good. There is a loading bay full of materials which we used for our shooting. Don't mind that. The interior of the Harrier, the dashboard is very clean. Not too runny, I like clean interiors. Same door stuff except for that bottle. Dashboard, very good. Sunglass holders, reading lights where you can hold your Ray-Bans. Makeup mirror where you can style your hair or something like that. Let's start this beast. Start button. One touch start. Tata logo. Wow. Half digital, half analog instrument cluster. In the cluster you can see instant fuel economy, trip A, trip B, power and torque figures. Next service due also. There's an digital RPM meter. Steering feels good. Light. Audio controls, cruise controls, horn and airbag. Same power window switches. Electronically adjustable and foldable rear view mirror. In the rear view mirror you can see our cameraman there. Don't mind that. Wiper controls, light controls, automatic headlamps are also there. Automatic wipers also. Automatic climate control. Single zone AC. Very chill. Good for the weather, hot weather of India. Yeah. Sports mode or beast mode, economy mode, hazard light, fog lamp switches. Now, the interesting feature of our Harrier is its infotainment display. It's very good, powered by 8 JBL speakers. In this you can see the efficiency, your driving, safety, the car automatically records your points. Now, these are the drive modes. There are 3 drive modes: wet, rough road, wet. Interesting graphics pop up when you change the drive modes. Hill descent control. Oh, let me correct my camera. Yeah. Traction control off. You can off the traction control and go mad, go drifting. rear view camera. The guidelines are adjusting as you adjust your steering wheel. Adaptive guidelines. There are 3 modes in the camera: wide mode, normal mode, and also zoom mode. Now let's check the power of the JBL speakers. A.R. Rahman's Munbeva song is very good. Yeah, let's hear it. Very nice sounding speakers, amazing sound, very good. The effect is very great, crisp sound experience. Very interesting. I like its sound very much. Yeah. You should come and check the Harrier. It's incredibly, its quality, built materials are very good. I like its quality. The Riva loop, you could see a Riva loop from this side to that side. I think it's inspired by Jaguar. You can get an automatic rear view mirror in the BS6 variant, but not in this variant. So the Harrier is powered by a 140 bhp Cryotech 2-liter engine, and it gives enough power for us to drive this big car around hill stations or main roads or any city conditions. So Harrier has 6-speed manual transmission, and it also has different driving modes. The driving modes are actually city mode. You have city mode and eco mode and sports mode, and also off-road mode and a rain mode. What this mode does is it alters the steering's response and feedback, throttle response, and also the traction control of this car for the apt conditions which is suitable for each mode. The steering of the Harrier is actually light. It actually changes according to the drive mode that we select. So this Harrier is based on the Omega Arc platform, which is shared by the Jaguar F-Pace and the Range Rover Freelander 2. While talking about the safety point of view, the Harrier offers ABS, ESP, traction control, and 8 airbags. It has also got a 5-star NCAP safety rating. To be noted, the chassis is also well built. The build quality is also very great, and Tata has also put in great efforts to make this car good quality and also drive very perfectly. The suspension, the body roll is also great. I feel very good about the ride of the car. The ride is smooth and settled ride, no body roll at all, actually. Very little body roll. So, about the performance, when we put it in sports mode, the boost is we have a very surge boost, and it just flies. The car just flies actually. In the point of view of 2-liter engine and 140 bhp, it gives enough power for 0 to 100. I think within 11 to 12 seconds it will go. Yeah. So not everything is perfect. So little panel gaps here and there, and the visibility point of view, there are some blind spots actually over the mirror. While we are driving in traffic, little spots are very clingy enough that we can't see any small bikes or cars in Indian traffic conditions. If there is a bike very close by, this area is very blind actually. But in the latest generation, Tata received many feedbacks about the Harrier, and they took care of it, and they get rid of that blind spot by just adjusting the height of the mirror a little bit. And hopefully we will test drive the new 2020 BS6 Harrier soon enough. The BS6 Harrier has a power boost of nearly 30 bhp. This Harrier is BS4, and it got a 140 bhp engine, and I think the new Harrier is around 170 bhp. There is a very sufficient, not sufficient, very high increase in power, that is 30 bhp. So to talk about the Harrier much in depth, I think overall the Harrier is a very good car for if you are planning for a 5-seater SUV. The competitors are, I think, MG Hector, Jeep Compass, Kia Seltos, Hyundai Creta, and the Tata Harrier.
But in the size point of view, I think the Harrier is the biggest among these. The new Harrier also gets additional features like panoramic sunroof, electric seats, and diamond cut alloy wheels, auto dimming rear view mirrors, which were missed in this BS4 edition, the BS6 has it. So before, while the BS4 was in production, the MG Hector has sunroof, etc., etc. Lot of features that Harrier didn't get. That put aside the Harrier, and sales dropped a little bit. But I think this current BS6 Harrier just sums it all up, and it has all the features. It has the power. It has the quality to take on the MG Hector and the Kia Seltos.
The range of the Tata Harrier start from 16 lakh rupees and extends till about 21 lakh. It doesn't stop there. If you need chromes and extra bells and whistles, you have to pay extra for that. You can check your nearby Tata dealers and for the information about the accessories, offers, pricing of the Tata Harrier. So this is the BS4 variant. Hope to test the BS6 variant soon. The Autovroom channel will also be releasing videos of its rivals also, like the Creta, Seltos and MG Hector also. This is our first video, guys, so there will be mistakes. Please point out our mistakes through the comments so that we can correct our mistakes. Hope your support will remain constant throughout our journey. It is just a start of a dream for us. We will try our best to make our videos perfect and very much of high quality for you guys. Like our channel, subscribe, comment your feedback, and thank you for watching. I'll come back with another video.